Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we are going to get started on some of the disassembly of the KLR 650. You can also see the Z1000 here with me. The idea is to just take off the parts that we know we're going to be working on, and I'll do a little walkthrough of what it is I plan on working on this bike. So I've already ordered some parts, and I'm also running the following Excel sheet. You can see that here, to keep track of the expenses, because I want to show you guys from start to finish how you can also purchase, fix up, and sell motorcycles and enjoy them while you're owning them. So let's take a little walk around of what we're going to be doing. Starting with the front of the bike, I have ordered new tires, front and rear. They're a bit less aggressive or knobby than these. Keeping in mind that the intention is to sell a bike, I'm not too attached to the build. So price is taking preference over performance/quality. Obviously, I'm not going to leave this bike in a dangerous condition by any means. However, I'm not going to be balling out on a lot of the parts. So that's number one. Number two is a full turn signal kit. This is like the only good turn signal that's on the bike. You can see here, this one has been downed in addition to the rears. So it is what it is. As for everything else around the front, it's just going to be me removing the plastics. And actually Ryan F9 from Fort9 made a really cool video where he showed that underneath all faded plastic is brand new fresh plastic. So all it really requires is a good sanding and a wire brush, preferably on a drill. And we're gonna make these like brand new again. You just shave off that first layer basically. It's gonna go here, probably this whole plastic assembly here, which takes us over to the side portion. I am not sure what I want to do with these. I don't know if I want to get rid of the decals, which honestly I don't know how easy that is to do, and get a new eBay decal kit that goes over everything. Those kits aren't that cheap. So in all honesty, this isn't the worst. It's not great either. You can see all those scratches there. So that's something I definitely would like to address, just not sure how. Otherwise, we have an oil change we're obviously gonna do, and that's about it for the side. For the rear, same story. And sorry for the noise, you probably hear the air conditioner right now. Let me turn that off for you guys. Same story as the front. New tire, because that one is toast. And I think it was a combo of being knobby tires and also these being worn out, but taking turns on the highway were pretty sketchy. But we're gonna address that. Turn signals, obviously. And the same story with the plastics. We're gonna be shaving those down. We have new brake pads for front and rear. And I went ahead and decided to order new chain and sprocket kits, so rear and front sprockets. And the reason I did that is because, once again, this is a KLR. I went for price over top performance, and there was a really good kit for 80 bucks on Amazon. So I figure if I'm buying a bike, one of the first things I'm going to see is a rusted chain. That's a big no-no. So I want at least the buyer to feel that this was taken care of. So that's coming in as well. Finally, a lot of these metal parts I'm going to paint. So I'm going to be removing things like the rear set, the drivers, or the main foot pegs removed. I don't plan on replacing them unless I come across a really cheap one. Maybe I will. But I definitely just want to paint the brackets that hold them. Just a fresh coat of black. The same goes for handlebars. I'm thinking about removing and painting. Might look into some new grips. Mirrors could use some new paint. We might also see some painting here. I have new bar ends sliders that I could put on from an old project a long time ago. I'm glad I didn't end up throwing them away, so I'll just put those on. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. That sums up what's going to be worked on the bike. Stay tuned. Let's just say there's already been a lot of progress since this video, so you definitely want to stay tuned. Check out how this bike is coming along. See how much I end up investing total, and find out if it's something maybe you want to do. KLR series, thank you so much for watching. Click that subscribe button.